Hi, my name is Chester Finn, and I live in Albany, New York, and I'm here to talk about the accessibility of the microwave. So I'm going to talk about how my microwave is accessible to me because I'm visually impaired, I have epilepsy, and I also am a diabetic. So it's important for me to know how to prepare food that's good for me. Okay, how the microwave is not accessible to me is that the microwave comes with buttons and they're not labeled. They just have numbers on them and you have to use your eyes to see. So seeing as my eyes can't do that, I have to adapt the microwave over so I can use it. That would be make it accessible to me. Well, I purchased these buttons that helps me make my microwave accessible, and I will show you what they look like. Up here are holes where the ones I've already used to put on the microwave, and down here are replacements if they fall off or somehow has to be replaced. You peel them off. I don't want to peel one off because if I do, then I would have to maybe use it. And on the back, there's a little sticker, and you peel the sticker off and you go to whatever you want to put it on the microwave and you press on it and hold it for a second and it's on until you take it off. And that makes it accessible. I place them in different areas that I'm going to use the most. So I have someone either tell me where the things that I want to put the buttons are. Like up at the top is the level of, temperature or heat that you want. And below that is the number 1 minute. And next to it is 2 minutes, then 3 minutes, and then I like 5 minutes because most of your food doesn't cook over 5 minutes. And if it's more than 5 minutes, I can do it 5 minutes and then push 5 more minutes. I haven't figured out how to double it because it doesn't let me double. And at the bottom, on the left side is start, on the right side is 30 seconds. And you can use 30 seconds to actually also use how many minutes you want. So that's how it works. And that's how I make the microwave accessible to me. Well, making the microwave accessible is making it accessible so I can use the microwave to warm up food and prepare food that I can eat. I take a plate that I would put food on, open the microwave, put the plate in, make sure that it's straight. I would reach on the top, put the plate over the food so it won't spill in the microwave. I push the start button and then I would select one of the buttons and push it and wait for the food to be ready when the microwave beeps and lets me know that it's finished. And then I would push the start button, take the pan off, put it back at the top, take the plate out, and whatever food I have on there, voila, I can start eating.